Oxygen therapy is a type of treatment that uses a device to deliver supplemental oxygen through your nose or mouth to your lungs and eventually to the rest of your body, so you can feel better and be more active. One type of oxygen device is a portable oxygen concentrator, which can be helpful when you need oxygen away from home. These machines extract oxygen from the air and turn it into condensed oxygen for you to breathe. Some POCs deliver oxygen in bursts when you inhale, and others offer a continuous flow. Your doctor may suggest one or the other depending on your body's needs. Your POC has a rechargeable battery. Your battery life will depend on your flow rate and how fast you're breathing. Bring an extra battery if you'll be away from home for a while. To use your POC, attach the nasal tube, turn on the device, set the flow prescribed by your doctor. You're all set. Be sure to clean your nasal tube weekly with mild dish soap, but avoid getting water in the tubes. Now that your POC is working and oxygen is flowing, you can grab your keys, wallet, and phone and get going.